Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at Tesla and why there was such a big dip in the share price and tell you if there's anything you need to be concerned about. Now, I'm sure you guys all know who Tesla is. They don't only make cars, they are involved in a few other things as well. Now, as you guys know, they do cars, they've got a few different models. Now, they also do solar and Powerwall to help us all be greener in the future. And then they've got a few different models, which is the Model S. They've got the Models X and Y. And they also do accessories for the charging of the vehicles. So having a deeper look at the Powerwall, this is a Powerwall that can help you charge your car at home. It makes it a lot more simpler for you to charge your vehicle, and it's plugged into the grid, so this really helps your vehicle. And you also have access to be able to monitor this on your mobile phone. This will also help you to be able to use your solar panels for charging your vehicle if you've got solar panels, so you don't spend that much on buying electricity. So this makes it really awesome to go with your vehicle, as it makes it a lot simpler in my opinion, which is really nice. Now, as you guys know, Tesla also have SpaceX stock. Now this will be helping with space exploration and to help NASA to be able to take astronauts up to space a lot easier and to bring the rocket back down to Earth without destroying it, to make it easier for NASA to in the future send a lot more rockets into space, as they don't have to rebuild every single rocket every time. Now let's have a look at the human space flight. Now SpaceX wants to make it easier for us to go into space by commercializing flights into space, and also to be able to orbit around Earth and the Lunar, so that it's possible for more people to be able to see what Earth looks like from orbit. They also want to be taking people into the space station, so this is going to become more of an attraction to more of us, and to be able to see more into space than just being able to go to places like museums and space centers. This is a great future plan, and I really hope this is possible, as I know my husband absolutely loves space. If it's affordable, he would be putting up his hand to go into space to see what it's like. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so that it turns blue, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So over the last few days, Tesla stocks has fallen from its all-time high of $862. Now this doesn't mean it's a total crash. There is a reason for that, which I'll show you in a minute. Now let's have a look at the earnings. Now as you can see, Q4 they've beat it, Q1, 2 and 3 they've also beat it, and we are waiting on Q4 for 2020 to still come through. Now having a look at the financials, as you can see, every single year the revenue has gone up, but they aren't making any money at the moment, but that will be coming in the future. Now, having a look at the recommendations, you will see there's a lot of buys, strong buys, holds and underperformance, and even some people say this is a sell. So the overall recommendation is a 2.8. Now having a look at the price target, I don't really know what to say about this one, because people don't think it should be at 826, but it keeps going up, and the shares rate are growing immensely with the amount of shares being bought recently, and the fact that Tesla has become a part of the S&P 500. If you would like a free share in Trading 212, just use the link in the description below and we'll both get a free share of worth up to £100. So on Tesla's website, if you go to support and you can get all the recall information, if you scroll down, you can go into the different models and what type of recalls there are at the moment and what is protected in your warranty. But let's have a look at what's going on at the moment. So Tesla has been asked to recall 158,000 cars over safety concerns. Now that is the S and the X model vehicles for between 2012 and 2018 due to the screen stop working. Now Tesla has tried to do an over-the-air update, but the NHTSA was not happy with that and say the update is inefficient and it doesn't address the concerns. Now the MCU stops working when it gets full. Now that's due to the fact that it's only got a certain amount of storage space, and when it's full it stops working. Now to start the vehicle you need the MCU to be able to work. There's also a lot of other problems that is caused when that is not working. So the NHTSA is asking Tesla to do a lot more, but we have to wait and see what Tesla is going to do to remedy this problem. But this is the reason why the stock has been falling over the last few days. But it is something that they can fix and it's not a big issue. Now this does seem like a lot, but if you have a look, this is the recalls in the UK and EU. You can see Mercedes-Benz, Mini, Toyota, VW also has recalls. As you can see, there's 1,538 pages. So having recalls on vehicles is quite normal. It's normally a small thing that can be fixed, so it's nothing to be concerned about. So as I said, there's nothing to be concerned about. This is absolutely normal. Now, I've been looking at Tesla stock since before the first split, but I haven't been able to have the amount of money to buy one full share because I at the moment only buy full shares. But I've decided it's time to get my toes wet and treat it like cryptocurrencies, and I'll be buying £50 of shares into Tesla every month from this month. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.